Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn in this video how to enable and disable offline files. So let's start now. Guys, I'll request you to please subscribe my channel if you not subscribed yet, because I am going to upload many more technical videos that will be helpful for you. And today we will learn how to enable and disable offline files. So just I want to show you, I have right now I have two machines, means two PCs, or you can say one is server. This is my DC server, means domain server, and another one, this is my client PC. So today we will work and troubleshoot about offline files enable disable, because sometimes if you enable offline files and if you are trying to disable it, it will not be disabled. So I will explain in this video how you can disable permanently offline files. So for testing, I am going to create here one folder. So in my case, I am going to share folder on my DC server. So it's up to you. If you have file server, you can test it on file server, or in many environment, in many offices, DC and ADC also using as a file server. I am going to show you step by step, so maybe this video will be long, but yes, I hope it will be very clear to you. So guys, I am going to create here one folder, that is test of on, and I am going to share it. For now I am going to share this folder for everyone with full rights. Apply, OK, close. And for testing, just you can create or put here few files like test file, online, and let us jump on client machine. So suppose you have shared files, or folders from your file server or from any other server in your domain environment, and if user, first of all I want to show you on which server I have shared this folder. You can see here this server IP is 10.10.2, and you can also run this command and see the IP address is 10.10.2 and host name is DC, you can see here. So user can access through IP or through host name. So as host name was DC, so I am going to access with DC name, or you can enter here the IP, that is 10.10.10.2, Okay, now you can see here this folder. This is the same folder which I have shared on the server for testing, and there is a one file, that is test file online. So suppose if user wants to try for available offline, and if user click here always available offlines, yes, you can see this symbol. If you will see this symbol, that means this folder is set as to available offlines always. And second thing, sometimes always offline files, this option will not appear here. That means you need to check the offline file services is running or not, or it is enabled from control panel or not. That will be available here. You need to go to control panel, sync and sync center, and manage offline files. From here you can disable or enable. If it will be already enabled, then it will show here disable, and if it will show disable, then that means it is enabled. So in this video we will learn how to enable and how to disable. So as we have already enabled this folders to be available offline always, that's why it is showing here offline files. You can see test off on /dc, means test off and hyphen on is the name of folder, and /dc is the server name on which this folder is shared. You can also access from here. So now we have set it to be available offline, but what we'll do now, I am going to disable the LAN of servers, so that we can test if server will be offline, it will be available or not. So just I'm going to open. You can see 10.10.10.2, and for testing I am going to disable. So as this is on remote and it is disabled now, we can also check by ping the server, ping space dc. It is not pinging, that means it is disabled. You can see request timeout and reply destination host unreachable. Now we'll check if this file will be available offline or not. Means if server will be not available, then it should be available, because we have set it to be available offline. As server is offline, so it is taking some time. Till now, as I have installed these machines on VMware, so till now I am trying to access this, so that we can enable the network. You can see here this server network means LAN I have disabled. You can see here. So first we'll check on client machine. Yes, you can see it was taking some time, but now you can see this is available. However, we have disabled the server LAN network. That means if we set any folders or files to be available as offline, so it will be available, and whatever will perform or whatever will do in this folder, if we'll create any files or will move any folders, once server will be back online, it will be synchronized. But in few cases, means sometimes if you will set folders to be available offline, and if server will be online, and if there will be any new files placed by any user in the shared folder, that will not be available in the shared folder. So in this case, what you have to do, you have to just disable the offline files, and then you need to check. Once you will be disable and you will be try to access the server, then all files will be available. So first of all, I want to enable the LAN of the server so that it will be available. Means up. Now we'll take the remote. Guys, I know this video is going to be long, but yes, I hope it will be very clear. So now server is back to online, and we'll go to client machine. Now we'll refresh it or just close it. If we'll access again, then it will be available. But now we'll try to disable the offline files. You can also you can see here there is no any option to disable or to uncheck always be available. So what we'll do, we'll disable offline files from here. It is showing disconnected, manage offline files, disable offline files. Okay, it is asking you must restart computer before the new setting will take effect. Do we want to restart computer now? So to be effect, you need to restart it. We'll monitor this from here, because this is also installed on VMware. Till now I'm going to pause this video because it. So guys, client machine is up now. You can see here I'm going to take remote. Now we'll check if offline files is disabled or not. First we'll go to control panel and we'll check from sync center, manage offline files. You can see here there is no any folder showing offline. That means it is disabled successfully. Sometimes it is disabled but it is showing here, or it is not successfully disabled. So in this case, if it is not successfully disabled, then what we have to do, you have to go to the C drive of the client machine, C drive, Windows, CSC. You can see here CSC version 2.0.6, namespace, continue. You have been denied permission to access this folder. So what we have to do, first you have to take ownership on this folder. So you will also learn in this video how to take ownership on any other folders. So just go to property, security, advanced, and suppose you have logged in with any other user or administrator. So by default administrator have the permission, but if not, means if you have in login with any other user, then you have to just click here to change. And suppose I have logged in with SKY user, so going to check names, SKY, okay, and just you have to select this replace ownership on sub container objects. Means it will be effective for all folders like CSC, and once you will open to CSC, after that we have version 2.06, means it will be it is the parent folder, so it will affect to all subfolders also. So just click on apply, but don't forget to select to change and replace. I will again try to show you. SKY, okay, this one, replace owner on sub container and objects. Don't forget to select it. Apply, okay. Now you will try version 2.6, name DC. Yes, means now we are able to open it. That means we have access now, as we have taken ownership. DC, you can see here whatever folder will be shared on the server, and that will be accessed by client machine or user. Means we can say by that is accessed by user on any client machine. So that folder directory will be created under this folder CSC v 2.0.6 namespace, and whatever the server name, test off on. You can see here the test files is still available. So if it will not be disabled, you have to just delete this folder, then it will be permanently disabled. SKY make changes this folder, you need to permission. One minute, we can check it, we have full rights or not. It is showing here the full rights, but what we'll do, we'll try to delete this file first. It is not deleting. Yes, you can see here that there is no any SKY user is added here. That's why it's not getting delete. So what we'll do, actually I have logged in with the username SKY, you can see here, but if you will see in security tab, there is no any users, only the system that is default. So what we'll do, we'll try to add here. You have to add the user through which you have logged in. Give full permission. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now try to delete it. Yes, you can see now we are able to delete. Yes, deleted now. So you have to delete the such type of directories only to permanently disable offline files. Make sure you will not delete this folder, because you have to disable specific folders or files that will be available, that will be set to available offline. Or one more thing I want to show you, this all scenario is handling by this service, that is offline files. You can see here disabled. If it will be enabled, then you will not be able to delete any files or folders from the CSC folder that is here. So before delete anything, you have to disable, and I already show you how you can disable from control panel. And if you will enable from control panel, then this offline files will be automatically enabled and it will be in running condition mode. So guys, I hope this is now clear to you. And again I show you, as we have set its test of on folder as to be available offline, and when we have set this to be available offline, you will see there is a symbol, but now it is removed because this is available online now. So in this way you can disable and enable the offline files and folders. So I hope this is clear to you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like. If you have any question, please comment in comment section box, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Bye bye.